welcome to a new video. Ooh, y'all can't see me. There we go. So we are walking. We are headed to the brunch festival, Atlanta Brunch Festival, and it is cold. Yesterday was so nice, but shit, it's like 40 something degrees out here. Like, why we couldn't have good weather? Then they had a nerve to be windy too. Like, god damn, yo. But I'm ready to get to eating and get to drinking, okay? I'll see y'all inside. We got that chicken and waffles, y'all, from Southern Gourmet Breakfast. Woo! Shit! Let me pay attention. I almost lost my wing. So I am here eating at the Angry Crab Shack in Midtown, and I'm gonna show you like what all I'm gonna get. All right, YouTube. So this is the crab tini, and then I gotta show y'all the other food too. All right, are y'all ready for me to get to eating? I have two plates in front of me that I need to start. Get me a video of my food. Y'all gonna get a little behind the scenes of the content creator and how I film my stuff for y'all. Alright, so I got my fried pickles right here. Alright. It's good, y'all. Oh, yeah. Fried pickles. I'm gonna record myself on my cell phone even too, y'all. Alright, y'all. Y'all ready for the, let me to try the crab or the lobster tini, the lobster crostini. Oh, the bread is soft. Yes. Look, y'all. Yeah. I gotta record for Instagram. It's good, y'all. Yeah. This is good. Oh yeah. This is so like buttery, garlicky. It's really good. Yeah. Yeah. This is good. Oh yeah. And it's kind of like I thought it was gonna be like kind of warm, but it's like the toppings is very chill right now. But what I like about it is the bread holds up well. So you have like the crust top, but it's buttery and very soft on the inside, and this is really good. Oh, I got milk one. Oh yeah. Hey, the Monday. I see you out here. Ain't you supposed to be working? You can't be working at People Live. And yes, it is good. It is a Talk to me nice and I might save you some, okay? We got something else coming out.
A jalapeno hush puppies with ranch. Do some extra napkins.
Thank you.
Enjoying everything? Okay.
This is good. I really like it. I like this. This is real season. I thought this was gonna be hard, but actually it's surprising. It's soft.
Yes, it is.
With the crispy and it's all buttery and
That's good.
garlicky. I love garlic. Yes. All right, let me show y'all.
For your point, what heat level would you got? 1 through 6.
3.
3.
Cause I haven't had y'all spice before, so I don't know how spicy can be.
Yeah, when it hit 4, 5, 6, it gets.
Okay, let's do the 3.
Okay.
Let's do the 3.
Okay.
Don't y'all talk about me. I'm doing my number 3 spice level. Okay, it's gonna be level 3. Okay, so I just got these hush puppies, y'all. Jalapeno hush puppies with buttermilk ranch. What? Yes, I can. I can have. Let me have my level 3, okay? I'm not gonna be like you. How you get the number 5? You probably would have got 6, and then your mouth, you be like, ooh, it's so high. Yeah, that would have been you. All right, let me do my little hush puppy. Oh yeah. All right, I gotta film my hush puppy, y'all. All right, y'all getting that good old BTS of content creator. I forgot to just turn this one too. I'm gonna turn this one too. Oh yeah, we're gonna turn everything, yeah. Spice level on infinity. Says who is doing that? That is you. That is for you. You spice level on infinity, not me. I'm not doing no spice level on infinity. It's enough for me. Alright, so I need to film all my food. 1 second, guys. Alright, y'all. I am ready.
Are you ready?
Yes. Oh.
I'm gonna put the dead man's in the cave, okay?
Okay.
There go your crab.
Okay. Ooh, they might break lobster.
Open that bag for me, please.
I've never seen this before. Oh, wow.
Open your tail, okay?
Okay.
It's already pre-split, so yeah, that pre-split, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Fun part.
Oh. Small. Are you gonna smash it?
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh wow. Oh. It looks good.
That's a lollipop.
Okay, it looks good and juicy. Oh, I'm ready to dig in this. All right, guys, it's time to get cracking.
That means you want live?
No, so I was just doing it basically on YouTube. I wasn't, you know what? I can just do live. I was live on TikTok, and then I was gonna do live on YouTube. Yeah. So we're outside, and we are headed to the Tulip Festival here in Stockbridge, which is about 45 minutes outside of Atlanta. And we coming from public because, baby, I had to pee. Oh my God, I had to pee, y'all. Like, I don't know what was going on because I peed before I left the house. But, baby, I had to pee. But now I feel better. I can enjoy it. Hopefully, they're not really doing the time thing because we're late. The tickets was at 2 o'clock. Yeah, it's like 2:30. Yeah. But I think they just do that, you know, the stagger entry. You know what I mean? Like the stagger people coming in. I don't think they would hold us to a time or whatever. But yeah, so now I can really get some good pictures. I came out here to take pictures and get content or whatever. So yeah, I'll see y'all when we get inside. Y'all thought I was gonna pick some tulips, but they already sold out of the cup. I'm like, dang, like how y'all sell out of the cup? Y'all could at least do more cups. Actually, you know what? We don't have to get a picture right here. We can just go straight to the tulips. I can't remember. I don't know how to zoom, so you're not gonna be able to zoom. Oh, there you gotta get the tulips up here.
No, what right in front of me?